And our Copado CI/CD product takes care of that with our quality gates feature in your pipelines. And what AI is here to do is actually reduce the amount of findings that will be done when you deploy this code. Because normally today, if I don't follow some of the best practices or guidelines because I forgot, later in the pipeline when I'm deploying it or when somebody does a pull request review, they're going to remind me that, hey, you missed this naming convention, you missed using the logger framework. So that's now I need to go back to this user story that I stopped working a few days ago and do some changes. So that's very inefficient. And as a developer, I always want to be working on the next new thing and not having to go back. So by having AI help you in the beginning and shifting left, so making sure you follow all these guidelines, I can make sure I can do my work and then not have to revisit this user story again.
But I can treat my AI can really be thought of as a junior developer. And so, it's trust but verify. You're still going to need to review the code in the beginning and make sure that you're there. And in some cases, as I mentioned earlier, if you find an error in the code, a lot of times it's because the requirements document wasn't quite clear, or maybe ambiguous in some cases, or you forgot to provide, for example, that document that you showed, which was here's the way we want our code, the code quality and the code format requirements and things like that, right? So we have about 2 or 3 more minutes. What goodies have you got to show us?
Absolutely.